Hi, welcome back to my channel. Here's another new code. Watch out and take care.
The beautiful Ai Sayama. Code WAAA445. Released on December 3, 2024. And it has 120 minutes watch time. The story is about married woman and her coworker. The girl works at a convenience store and she meets her coworker. Apparently, the girl was not in good terms with her husband. So to ease her mind and divert her attention to something, the girl works at a convenience store. However, the days goes by, the girl developed a feeling towards the guy. So one night, they went to a night bar. They had a couple of drinks. They got drunk. Afterwards, they went to a room. While they are at the room, things went out of control. They spent quality time together and the wonderful story began.
Make sure to subscribe and like and turn on notification for new codes. Thank you for watching.